Welcome back omoncho muligire no motegere nande me yomurobuli etuani yagetembe mambya bono ebyonse bigoko bnyoransi getasini nambari 1 nambe ya mokigima yatembe TV nambe yagetembe Finance Family Radio 102.7 katunyo usangamo tu atenga twendu mutu mokomo keko nyolige kombe kia maje ekarbo tuirandire gaiga sembe onande twako tenga nkoba tuli na Waziri Vincent Sawe uyu chirega igaya mansa mutaligilia mangana au na mono ingane nene yukuruma au mokenya omugusi bono mambia oligoro yobole mibwechae naro chabagili mokoleranga bonus ngakitokora ebikuro biri mwale gukura nibyagere Vincent Sawe nero ikireka bono mamtuligilia mangana igaine nkikia berekebe Finance Family ye sector yobole mi anamono ekemeli yechae bono mambi. Good morning, karibu sana Waziri. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wakirabia. Karibu sana Matilda.
Yes.
Ngaliganire Waziri bona mambia sembyo.
Waziri Vincent Sawe. Good morning.
Good morning.
Naki county gendera to Kisi county na kere. No nyembe okere mbe yechae.
Kisi county abantu mbe yabale lakini ndo manye tobo ge mabarobu mechando ne menge. Lero neye, mambi neye. Lero mwa complain about the governor, mambi mwa complain about the tea. Mambi enda abantu ba complain igento kende. So mechando teli kwaera.
Ensemo yobole mi.
Anda katrika sensemo yobole mi.
Yes.
Omoncho mwele naro tukonyolira sensemo ntangani. Amanyetenga Waziri Sawe bono nsariwo na Matilda mwale tali sembeo. Ninguyo gose yemasemo etambulisha ningu na andi nkiyogokora ngayukurwa.
Okay. Biyamona sana. Njenkoro ku Vincent Sawe na Lenge County as a Minister for Agriculture 2013 to 2017. Na Lenge Minister ya Roads na Lands 2017 to 2022. Magega yabu na kabeire KTDA na kolete gas KTDA emiaka 10 na omoiga. Karona rueto na Lenge Regional Operations Manager na tenete Chief Factory chia Kisi na Nyamira. Yes.
Ndio mwana sana, karibu.
Asante sana.
Igo no bwatu umanyi voice inase ensemo yiga yobole mi.
Asa ensemo yobole mi ni understand it. Sana ensemo yechae.
Yes.
Ndio no ubole bwagu sina bo understand it mono ekarona Lenge Minister ya Agriculture. Yeah.
Umuri mwechae ne virerale.
Umuri mwechae ne virerale. Lakini igale evidero esa ulia irchinke. Onyerende ndi yatae tukende. Kango bono lilia abantu baitanire. Ese gia rone ria
tibesa otutevinga iko nandi nabo yaringe gocha kobora karibu sana.
Bono ekaroko ligeri chi company chinyinge chiri in business. Nchiri goika umali bo mwaka bate anga mwaka oyo ntuli gwaka na dividend. Dividend is zero. Ekaroko ligeri chi company chinyinge. Abante baga ko ne dividend 1 shilling, 2 shillings, 3 shillings, 4 shillings. Lakini echae abalemi bagwaka no bonus 10 shillings, 20, 30, 40, 50. Na ande ri konyora baaka niru 24 shillings first payment. So kere kilo ba delivery baaka niru 24 shillings. Lakini egento bono gekolete problem. Ekerokoro aka ni shilingi 10. No mulemi onde gaaka ni 50 shillings. Abuno emechande.
Bakoitie.
Bono kuboli ngoli rende ngaki aranyora chivesti nyinge na inchanyora chinke. Abuno omo chandole.
Asugo sio kubonene Waziri to chakengo tea industry. Ketukonira industry yobole egemelie chai. Wete gusi abantabange basibete chai na bandi bale batabwati chai. Lakini katukonira egemelie chai gusi. Kikwanire ngasobime abali mimbara bitubwata gusi na andinga kiyokoro. Bono
Ntaga tora understand kwanse amangana yecha generally.
Yes, generally.
Ekaroko ligeri Kenya ngima ntobwata chi category bere.
Yes.
Chia management yecha.
Yes.
Mbaro bali babati chi estate. Ebako ba managed under gento tokoro ka KTGA. Kenya Tea Growers Association.
Yes.
The large scale estates.
Bali bagusumika sobo abo.
Kuna chirichire kericho. Na abale mi abanda bakabaka. Ebale managed under KTDA. KTDA kale igo ya Lenge parastato ya serikali.
Oh yes.
Na serikali nero ya chage to kwa gacha factory.
Yes.
Up to some time in the late 90s, serikali yakatanga bono tiga serikali yeru esecha echa be managed like a private business.
Oh yes.
Then eka change ku Kenya Tea Development Authority, eka Kenya Tea Development Agency Limited. So the assets chirichi ya Lenge chi authority chikaba transferred to the agency. chi factory chiri chionsi pichia kere factory ese yarenge abalemi bari go deliver cha ororo bakabageru shares bakaba shareholders igo bona chi factory chiri owned n'abalemi koru ororo abalemi baganza kwagacha bona chi factory chinyia
yes
una bono ekaro koligereri kiamo kama ekagacha ria nyamwamu
yes
you see tombe ekagacha gia nchole so chikana koenda igo paka bono chiavire chi factory almost 24 usiengima bono chi factory chionsipi abalemi mbabwate structure ya representation kero mulemi nali represent ngochora bale they are representatives
yes
ochakire buying center ntobwate buying center committees kogoche factory ntobwate factory directors bagochora n'abalemi tali bagochora na KTDA bagochora n'abalemi gokorwe factory ntobwate directors ba KTDA board bagochoru n'abalemi bado koru they are representatives ya bono factory directors nabo bagochora regional representative ogochiwe karanse board ya KTDA una bono okonyora Kisi representative noyomo Nyamira representative noyomo like that once
ochorire n'aba director
which factory chinde which means gochakobe board member goikobe director ye factory ya mukwanza you cannot move to the next stage ya toli factory director so goikora have factory director umana kobe eligible gochor kobe KTDA board member so abale member represented KTDA nyene shareholders ba KTDA are the tea factory companies nabo bale shareholders ba KTDA so abale minabwa abanyana KTDA so KTDA is not taliegento kere ekaganie sabalemi ne company yabo lakini bona karokoligereri over the years KTDA yasabiri abalemi interest cyabo kinyinge cyabere served na ndaga ntoga ko mulemi atano kuri KTDA mwaka to iyo mulemi atano kwa kanu bonus motienyi to iyo mulemi atano kwa kanu chivastiri first payment
yes
nkwana ko first payment ke without any problem because it is uniform across the board na enda bono iga chi factory na chigo set first payment lakini ebi asara bono bia KTDA ebi echae kon go at the auction ebi as a model iliyo maitega very simple collect the tea ebe processed onigu abalemi bakanu KTDA rules management service fee eji bako iguana na nechi factory nga we are going to take let's say 2.5%. Pono chi factory ngochora chire they are external auditors. Nechi factory na regwe chore external auditor so that your interest is taken care of. Pono nya ninche ngo kolere miremo na ande tingwe chore auditor. Na yo go chore auditor so that the auditor is answerable to you. Kwa matenga ndigereri ngo saving to ya nambia bire. Bona kerego ikaso konyoranga twaikira sabale mibago complain mono iga ege ntakara na kiabira nkiringa gati yabarai na abalemi communication bona teyo
obwirani bwasarikire
bona obo semi ga gati bwasarikire ekerogo chagwe bona ngabuna abalemi go bachite go situkiranga ngaichi vest chetu chiachite lakini onye ndire bare go communicate mapema kiagara kire company ngo twarere first quarter results second quarter which is half year, third quarter, then final quarter. By the time we go declare the final results, umuntu nari prepared ingense mutuambo bere. Yani tali go chagostukira. Na bamanyete nga gochimotu achibese ngo chakonyora te nechinke ko bwachiri chala. Gosenchi kaiyo.
Waziri umulemi urase factory etundu bali buying center.
Yes.
Ochorere umuraibye committee eli buying center etundu bali bwatabarayigete committee yabikuligereria. Committee iga ne answer buguchese bali directors
No.
Ne answer buguchese KDDA by director chali.
Omanyete ekaramo gochora you are representatives. You are representatives imba ko ba answerable to omokolie gas KTDA no mokolie gas bwabalemi. So omonto chora tari chikuligereria mangana otako ba answerable to your employee. Abantu bali bachorire bara answerable gochesa abalemi. Na kigako garaba kiruchikura barusi gogo se bairani. You see
abanya committee
na directors na board members ponsi nkorote bale
andaka sumuligeri yoligetigari emiremo ya committee ye buying center nerie
emiremo ya committee ye buying center no koligeri linga buying center by laws nkobwate guchire
okay
omulemi arete cha no mochoko eligeri ligwe quality epimwe aegure sitinga risiti riao na rieri echae gwapima nereye kiagara ko gwapimire chae the only evidence yobwato gocha gosaba chibese ne risiti ringa na retete chae risiti na rieri
umurimi uri ngigari enyamwamu gusore ngo gembo tea factory
yes
urule urusie cha ya hali se etundubali ya pimiru oil list
yes
ya chire ingo yaso akoboko kwayo
bona yaso irokoboko kwa KTDA yes bona commitment
the moment ya ve kwese system
the moment ya ve kwese system kwa iruli city cha eritari ya bona cha erine ya KTDA bona KTDA na ere responsible kwa hakikishanga cha eritari gosira cha erinko ni gwere umulimi ya guchibesa.
Now let's come back to the now emuchando boli mbobwat ekerbono echa ya chira sekididi koboko kwabo mulimi erenka igago gete school fees yare asabwate ebintu bya madeni abwate ndagira kulia ndako kobesire a surprise ya chire ebona asire inzi ningo ko blame
bono iga ntogo tebanga isanisho blaming ega ntaka nene kerega ebiasara oma etogo kole ebiasara kerari tuko biasara ebi ebona asie terigo ikanga ne mweli wo mwakanga ebona asinere chibese chigo cha goike ebona asie chikorosi every day una mogo deliver cha every day you are either making a profit or you are making a loss anya mokorosi a loss ama tukamange it means at the end of the year chibese chine chigo cha kobanse anya mokorosi profit ama tukamange at the end of the year chibese chia chigo cha kobaigoro so ega kerega igekenene onye mechando kero rase buying center imechando nero elio manandro bwibwe cha embaro kiango buying center committee members na babwana ta koresi issue ya number 1 kiagara responsibility yabo no kolenda interest yo mulemi batebe buying center yaito echa enko ibwere bari report ya saka KTDA bari report ya se director yabo e ko represent area yo director yenere bwana ta kwenda ikaransa na management abatainga bale ngo complain bale because of ABCD attend to these issues so ekaroko nyora communication yete yobuya bono ogo chakonyo chusie millet by the by ogo chakwanza kugamba igoro it enga ya edire bona amangana ya bako gamba once piece historical kende nkeyo kirakoru chibesa na chichi bago akanu lakini onye ndiri bago discuss even interview on monthly basis aba director barangiria bale michi baraza baba taye biasara mabu na bigenderete mochando to bwate noyo naenda aba director anche nko ba advice iga ekerocho aliro kolero montegasi
yes
tigo buoba
yeah
kolegas no bolemu togo kolegas kolengera tinga ki abantu bara ndachendu usiku ekerugie chikura onya gogotaka go please abantu goika tu are mechando mutwa lakini ekaraba maitenga ye kwaru anerere gento kerobo maene kwa bakani onya e buying center yaito equality yaito nembe ngochi tori go affect equality ye factory igo konyoranga abale mimba manyetenga ebintu kurwandira ne bintu byabo mbago koletere problem buna bono barago tenga ki for just as an example omo driver ya moto etengo to chandare tali go cha mapema igo togo chikumwakere simi tali ko response echa ya nyoro banyorenga yo mo director tuli go take action igo bono toro chiba hansire go kwanga mwansire go etana bona nakiga ko goroko nyora bali ni abange bago tenga omonta ago cha atwa mwakira chikura ogo so KTDA ochiogo rubano ansa go favor the other side abale aba director go ikaba kolegasi no bolemu na endo maeto ndete yo konyoro manyete gasi yonsi aba director onye baroche gasi na nkongu mbabwate chinguru chiogo copt factory directors bale independent bale professionals una bono nyankiamo kama na bago teanga ngo copt tole onsarigo acha go tokonya mangana communication na manyete vintebi acha go tokonya mangana communication ya to advising akitoko communicate effectively na balemi onye ne chibe chito chanda ta mangana finance ngo ko toro muntu ke tore manager ye bengigete aicho omanyeta mangana finance ya to tainga ngakitoko solve problem yeye onye toka netio monto ore expert in food processing tole tanya lebe aicha to tainga kitoko improve the quality yaito so director simbabugate that power so mba basa go ikaransa baganye bintu bisareke buna bona abalimi bako baminyoki mbamanyetie se bakwe bisa lakini onye ndiri go copt independent directors mapema nabo bako bakonya. That is within the powers of the board. Buna bona board ye factory they have the power yogo chole auditor, external auditor, they have the power yogo chora a company secretary. Tarikaiti die ko bacholera. So a board you might is the managing body. A decision bako make is final.
Igo waziri umuske mheshimiwa Vincent Sawe na igo na bikonyo lekaranga director bwe region goseri ose kiamokama ose ntombe atebenga inchindu chimireme mongete mbuyere lakini asinara obolege ubule bono nimbwa nalete nyalebe nalete Vincent Sawe asi nabwa tumanyo nobo atokonye nsemi
ato advice
nabwa te powers
babwata that power
mule mitago pinga
mule bono umulimi nechi besa atagitumanyete mulimi is not interested in akyo kolega siasa director umulimi agentari interested in kilinga chibe saire ngango cha konyora
mushahara bonus
ngaki ebiasa lebi atolete bank manager gete ntutagete kubugori loan totara bugori tigato involve manager you understand it amangana finance ntoba komeke mistake.
Oh yes.
Onye tutageta kwa investment tigatora angeli investment expert ato advice by the time to go deciding ani ga to kubeka chibese we are almost sure nga this is the right thing to do egara to safeguard interest chomolemi omolemi kama nyetenga the actions you are taking ne chioko garanyo ole bonus yenene nkiarangire takwanga.
Yes, waziri bono twiranire ase orogongoroiga andake chinse mogete cha Western Kenya tofauti ne raro yicha ya orogongoroiga rwa gusiko se Western Kenya west of the Rift Valley na boigo obantu bakuro Central Kenya ko se Eastern region.
Yes,
tofauti yiganereri andake nkiumore myabwenete kumanyiranga factory gete me ya Embu omuntu nanyorete 57 bob nchenga nkarugo sinkiamu kama kanyorete siringi 10 wate bunge chae na bintu bindi.
Bona igo kurigereri nga ekaroto kurigereri biasara biecha amaite biakoriru koru pre-independence biasara biakoriru miaka emenge so kere chiro ngo develop ere behavior yaya buna bono ganda daraja mbili abantu mbale baberire traders daraja mbili miaka na miaka
kabisa
bakana nga tuli goso achire rito goso no koraki onye nechi yango takatako na bago kwa machiko bona historically igo konyoranga abalemi becha enkese barenga abange nkuru ensemo ya Eastern.
Yes.
Western historically echa yarenga under the estates ekaroko gande market at the auction a perception ya rone linga chi estate echikorosi echa poor quality.
Yes.
So chi estate ye chi influence ye chi estate ega so as chi factory chia Western.
Right.
Ekaroko ligere buna bono soko uru ya asali quality completely.
Exactly.
Ekaroko and Eastern factories soko uru teyo. Soko uru elini gaere. Abalimi ba Central na Meru number 1 eba gokole biasara byabo with a lot of seriousness. Onye ne quality bata bigu ba kubwati. Onye ngento geta bata bigu tokole to gokora. Buna bono ligere ekara engaki ya igete between I think 2000 and around 2010. There was a lot of expansion in each factory each year.
Yes.
In the east go back to the factory nyingi sana. Bono kwa nyorange distance between one factory ne yende igerenke. Esecha egari ego etako collect echa distance igerenke. Iga a distance igere nyingi. Una bone factory na ro ya mere nandiga. A buying center ya mere kabisa is over 100 kilometers away. Egari eliga koganda limo gochukua yecha age koira na yakavire 200 kilometers. Kwa koganda Nyeri, kwa koganda Kirinyaga, egari ga koganda maximum asa tambe which is 4 kilometers. Kwa yecha. Bono cost yeli bono the cost of operation yoka igerenke. Ekaroko ligere bono ema in the market. Abantu bako golecha ebakoro kuti buyers. Abantu bako niecha ebakoro kuti brokers on behalf of the factories. Abantu ba Eastern ba invested kurukare, they have invested a lot in tea auction na tea buying for exports. Omonto ya karale gari umaite tuansi mwanya bantu. Ekarole ga iga Getembe TV.
Yeah.
news ne yakisi okora abeka gose gokwanda korigi news koru South Nyanza chakora tangazo tige yakisi
okubike yanyu
so
kwanza
mtutu ansi mwanya bantu there is a likelihood, and I'm saying this is my personal opinion,
yes
there is a likelihood abantu bali brokers biased na bias esa uli bakolire gasi elimi yake menga and they have invested evi asaro maete go invest ekaro koligeri ti brokers ya bange chi company chiri around 11-12, about 8 of them na wachiruete Mount Kenya. Yabona ekaro tokoligeri ke mwanya bantu ekaro koligeri kusi Kisi na Nyamira. We only have one brokerage company, Choice Tea Brokers. Na ndo kwanyora chifactory chito njiri ko bacha baba oneli. Eba kwa abantu bande bakoleke baba oneli echae. Tea buyers yoko ndo kwanyora omonto ole tea buyer okogole echae so bogo se Nyeri. Omonto yakaranyorire market engiya ngusi yago ko market go sa akora market echae yaso.
akwire bantu babo
Akora ira so abantu baito goika ba invest ya sama ngana yechae to takokore ruwe gasi otara invest anything so chichiro chionsipi no ligereri nako example ya daraja mbiri abantu bale chire ri over time ngo develop bale chikatel echae ne bwate chikatel chire very powerful na ndo tanyale eserikali njata mago intervene mbasi nyu bakavugolia magoko.
So which
national government mbasi nyuko go interfere magana yecha
you know mheshimiwa you are enlightening us nga watu agaliria ncheragete iko ujimeni so mulemi ogusinere despite the fact ina eyo mulemi osmikire chayo tolire chayo ayiro ire tundubali ya chire aseke DDA go ikanande ke DDA enyolenga ete yo mulemi nga bono invest ya so kuligyo muntu oguchikotonere chayo
KTDA ne company yo mulemi abantu babugana to make these decisions na have a director they should take people to they should question their employees, they should question their broker echa ya itonga kitalikoni inkiekebe
abantu bako baligerie chiro have they taken them to account kose bagete the wrong people
not the wrong people nje na bataviga ngaki aba director baito tigabatiga gukorega asi no bwoba tigaba manyanga twairu chinguru chyo kokorero mulemi gasi onyore cha yaito ke bwate problem e broker murangeria iche factory go through the system, invite an independent person or expert mogenda nere ekere broker ko tange problem nera hata is an independent expert ko tanga ki problem we no ba maana ko solve maana yes e bwana to solve diga lakini bono aba director baito mbako ganda bate bungecha ya inonembe na bara ubanchira nanga echa yeto nembe iko bono nga bono tigato chibesa to kwa kuna chiechio sometimes you buna bona karoko nyara abantu bako beka fixed deposit saving ko to ko enda chibengi sato inya kwa boli interest irenga moko nganda beka chibesa chia for 1 year bako tai 8% kwa mata inaga ndali naye ku 10% tiganga ndo ukorangerio ko kaninga nchibona 9 ko 10%
asi yuwate na boko
ese egwate na boko kwa chibesa ko tene chiao okomata inga lero tiganga ndo chimoina ese naye ku 10%.
Igobona bali mibaito eto chole taba director baraboba batali go turwanira se chiro.
Omanyete ekaro koligereria abagusiba ito. Abagusiba ito mbabwate nchira bako beka barayo bwoba sana. Aba director nkuobo abalenga ni nchi koira ni kunaende. Lakini nchege ntonda abatebi. Tigaba kolega asiengia. Ega asia ko garabaira na nawe mara 10. Bakolega asino bolemu. I'll give you an example. Ekaro tu arenge county government tu achete 2013 eka ago konya ya asirire pigusi if you remember lakini bana igawa is coffee is on the rise abantu bana everybody is planting coffee esa uli tu achete no baremu tokabeke task force tokakora mangano nsipie mechando ya renge sechi cooperative society licensing yekaruwe kubono na boko endobe license tuno mulemi okore palping yeka agu ya honya ko bwate isaine na boko egwe license wana igoroche abali mibaitongo complain bali igoro yeka agu nganya rebe na kana tuchinye kombwa no because it's your quality which will give you the money you want ekaro ko ligere ligusiga nki yako gara nyansi ongo yaka ne 22 shillings kiamo kamega kana 10 why nki yako gara nyanko bego akana chibes chinyinga ko mwa kiamo kamera next door What is the difference here?
Like you have a remarkable.
This catchment
actually,
area is the same.
Those are the questions.
Yeah.
Kiamo kama
Na Nyankova.
they are the same.
They are in the same region. So why inki yako kana Nyankove kwa kana chief esti nyinko kwa Kiamo kama. Yana arama swali director sababu yanata kuwe board. Ayana arama swali the board members sababu yanata kuleta director sababu baba ikaransi. Why is your factor? Kurati kama ngana east and west. Tole legally mtu guys.
Kusio kanjire ngai.
Anya toko kolega siga tuensi Gatembe TV. Tuensi we are broadcasters. Why are you being paid 2 million and I'm being paid 50,000?
And the same
Why?
job.
And we are doing the same job. Why? So ilina lili swali aba director baitu babu anata kuwe boli. Totara agenda Muranga. How have we performed against our neighbors?
Yes.
That is the question. Kiagara a catchment area in AM. Yeah.
Mwachu muligirali tima etinga mabuli ya no igwetenga omu waziri akoerera gapo no mambia igwetenga andako muchando nugu taira umukia woko ene kinga ba director baito ba kolibo unenki na kubwatia mono igoro yobo oni bichae na bigo nga asichiro ningo nga giba konelia na ndi kibagwa nchira na sirigoli imambia bono enu gwatekereli yura sangene itu enyura na bukwa na into emasemo buli de waziri buli usukwa na inturo komenta kwa uno mulemi gusibo no mambia na ndika tukwalga ni bali bonsi bono mambia tuwa krisi biligera sange biligera libino bono mambia 0741583878 0726447367 aiga ase studio katunya kuligirali amangana aiga Matilda
nekero tokendete gukwanira ayu nkagirete na rikwera na se director anyaro gukwana mangana yechilone okwegunga serikali gatema kurigie njira iranyare kuguswania amateni ayare ase KTDA nake yechilone chigachigo chichacha
namba yemo chiloni echigo cha in many ways omaete chai buna bona karo mulemi delivery chai naga netiaka no at the end of the month chives chai onya rende chai ritraone ngai chives chikurwakan e company go ikagende bengi we overdraft kiagara mbaroche chives chigo chakuru bengi nchiri kolina KTDA vesa because they know that their business is guaranteed. Echa embanyi roche sere na cha oni kubakano. So a board na babako gende vengi baba tainga ntoka ne chivas to waka na balemi chia fast payment umutie nyoyo. Besa chia vengi toli kwa yagubasa. It's an advance kwa aka na something. Ekaraba aba chi board was chi factory chi target ko kora certain investment. Saingina okonyoranga liba kabako na cha balemi bali chivas chonsi at once. Bata banga tigatobogolie loan umolemi ana tuchivesa nkenke over a period of 5 years. So igotorochie loan bona yaso ireme. Kwanyoranga ekarobono bune bonus yari kwa kanu. Na boko nyore factory stock ya betigarite tarao ni kugere nyinge in the warehouse. Lakini business wise yomanyete accounting cha eligi yako ba valued ya manyange value ya eneye ya ba factored into the accounts. But anga onye ndiri tu aligo declare bona chibesa bona iga payment ito kwa kana 12 shillings or 15 or 20. Ba declare a board nere go declare anga bona we are paying that amount given the accounts. And they will not deviate from what the accounts say. If the accounts indicate you should pay 15 shillings, chibesa na chichi wakana. Go comment chibesa more than that, it means you are going to borrow obogoli loan ocha kwa kana balemi and loan ye na ndo ikafachiko nyakana na interest. So comment burden. Ekaraba no korigere chi factory cheito over the years chiloni burden ye chiloni yokwa gacha chi factory chinyia. Wana igo konyoranga chi factory chinyinge chi agusi. A cost ye loan get almost 25 shillings per kilo of med tea, which is a very high cost. Wana serikali etakabono kokonya balemi aba. Serikali igeko take up those loans. Serikali echiakana abalemi babe loan free egere bonus yabe koleki. Egende igoro kwanyoranga at the end of the year. Chibese chikolie bonus nechi yani ebintu bikoli into the bonus nebike. Basa kurus the cost of the loan. Ina ranchera ya serikali era konye chi factory sana. I'll give you an example. Ekana renge minister ya agriculture kisi abale mimba atagete kwa gache factory Sombogo Marani. Konye bachangire 140 million. A challenge ba they needed to raise chibese to 170 million. Even game go finance the other part, a factory yagachu. bono bakarigereri bakanyoranga they had taken almost 10 years gochanga 140 million ebengie gatebanga mogenderera gochanga chibese ne rate moko genderera by the time mogocha goiki 170 million e cost ye factory okonyara ya chiro almost double.
Yes.
So which means you may never collect enough money muchukua gache factory. So I looked at it and I advised the government nkabata vitikatoligi we set aside 30 million to bridge loan to bridge chibese chie contribution ya baremi baika 170 bono iga.
Yes.
Evengi ready ko ba finance chibese chinde e factory yagachu abaremi bakonyo nkagende county assembly nga present your report ekaba approved tukabeka chibese budget tukaba e factory njagachire. It's now operating and it's doing very well. I think maisire waka na loan yali babogoleti. So a government nebwate chinguru chioko konya abaremi nkororore no ene chishuga factory chiko ya guchibese abaremi bachiko akanwe kere crisis yere. So serikali ene takabono iga kiagara county government te konyara go take up those loans. Serikali ene na bego teanga nkwalo ke tole chibese chiko offset chiloni chionsi pichi abaremi beka bechae. Onyora abaremi ba bemera a president in Java 1 billion.
Yes.
I think it was 1 billion or something. Why not the farmers? One abanta babacho de beka bechai. Aba director buying center committee members go sengwa ka chikura. They should use their strength. Bata vya serikali ngaki umachando itonoyo. A petition ye itogo cha serikali.
Bakwana no mwaziri.
Bakwana no mwaziri. Ntotaga takoro mwaziri. Serikali ngaki gotokonya ko offset chiloni echi. Kanga bone bago tabanga ki ntu achieta serikali ekatokani. But have they made that petition to the government? The government yo
Neka wayarira.
Neka wayarira.
Yes.
You see ekago yakonyiru sana gesevalera. So muna bono tu akonyete kago ga kisi deliberately. Ekago bono gere stable. So county governments nachiro chigo ikachi bwate si abaremi kokora chiloni echi. Omo gavana imoke agenda na ba director kurugusi agenda ba president amota having ankonyera abaremi aba imechando yabo neye ine regas babugana takokora.
So at sometimes our leaders also
are failing. Ekaroko nyoro mo empia ko complain ko ye bonus esenga ko complain anda na ero bugana takokora na ero bugana takokonya e problem ya serikali yenye kole na anda kwanyora nayo ko complain. Bono nese ngoko complain nese umulemi yo complain yesole na yankole role bono ngoko cha kokonyo yote. So our MPs are failing kokonya abalemi baito. The county governments are failing kokonya abalemi baito. The county governments, the national government na bwa bantu ba kokonya abana inchi serikali na the last resort ya kokonya kiromo.
Ebere muchache akobolinga ine waziri atotebi chi factory chinde nchiro konyora chibwatende mero anse cha isimekire echa elikero ya nyagotoruge koyirwa nani who is responsible for earning ngokole chibasi chai
chibasa chiri echikoli kwanda area.
Docha for example ga Ogembo Tea Factory
echikoli kwanda area tari factory basa koligereria chi account chiabo na baba konyore se chairi ere recorded under the factory name lakini bona chibasa chiri echiko cha chairman tu ase chibasa chi wakanwe bonus kiagara e factory ne yo mulemi so factory te ko irabese nga ne chimegete chairi bado ne yo mulemi
andake lisoria ye yandaka haruchenga directors bakuli chibasa
ya omaete tigatwate bintu buna bire directors mbabu atinchira bara assign chibesa barus chibesa chi factory at least not in the tea factory buna bone mechanda tu anyarata yarenga se kawa aba director the representatives ve society the 7 representatives na baba arego ikaransa ba assign barus chibesa bata banga ne loan baba koleti bakaronsalia factory bago cha declare payment kwanyora yachire to 10 shillings or 5 shillings so sasa ingine bata ve loan ya ile chivestions tukabeka lichiko there is no committee era ende withdraw chivesa without the approval ye county cooperatives officer amangana iyo ko chivesa akaera iko bone ka guteli waka numorongo so systems chire in KTDA there is no way directors vale yakana chivesa boka there is no way.
Mbali wa access pesa
Mbali go access pesa. I'll tell you this. Ekarona arenge manager KTDA. E manager na rego tumire chivasi go chwaka na balimi. Chivasi die chigo tomu to the impressed account. Ese manager signatory ne accountant. Director tili ko signatory in those accounts. No. Chivasi muna chigo cha na wako nyoro tumire to the account at the end of the month 300-400 million. Na schedule ya balimi noere. Mulimi gete 5,000. Mulimi gete ekarogo ate toto area cha that 400 million. So ora osakoruzi no 100,000, you will affect about 50 farmers. Abalimi ya bago cha gocha gesile kia ngantora akanunga yoko vaire. So kolichi vesti na kongo. The only money directors bago access maybe chirichio kwa anda trip ba kanuchi allowance ebintu kunebyo. Lakini mba there is no way umo director ateve ngo withdraw ile chivesti yake.
Waziri ase abakarani komige kiro I think alisera tirina nengo ikunda bale mebakolera sana abakarani komiga nga ko kiro
pono you see nsako ko example ke Equity Bank nkwara Equity Bank njabo taba bakolie gasi bank sana. What was the reason? aba kolie gasi wabare ko collude na customers omokolie gasi wa approve a loan yetale ko ba approved lakini on the condition ngoli ko mare commission. Bakati bakameke mistake kwa nyoranga sangine omokolie gasi oli ka vekire chivestio a customer in the account, a customer ande ko motomera chivesti back to his account. So it is very easy to follow the trail. Abakolie gasi bali abange bavuga to bakavutu. One of the biggest problems to bwata kusiye SHI no oboibi. Oboibi obogomara green leaf etundu bali. Abale mimbara ororo baganyererete kokore chae. Ose baganyererete kokora chikiro. Kwanyoranga omonto orari okoiba chikiro nabwato omonto akoneri. Omwaka na cash yali bakorana. Those problems we used to bring them up all the time. Monto gete nabwate to koiba. Buna bana nabokorigerelinga ki Matilda igabwate echae emete 400. Emete ya 400, the maximum number of kilo avugana tukutuara in a year is about 1,200. Lakini gokoligere account pay slip ya Matilda avugate chikiro 20,000. Nga yakurusie chae yende. Abantu abange bali gusia bali batabwati chae na bubakole chivest nyinge ko bwabale babwata. Esa uri yo boyibi. Bono a problem yeregaiga. Directors we kavaini still discipline as factory chiabo. Buying center committee members we kavaini still discipline bakoro we as buying center chiabo. Lakini okonyora abantu babaete umonta akaba reported buying center chairman yate yanga nchitinta getimonta abantu bacha kongita bwane. Tako bwate manganayo. Kwanyore director yaba reported umana gwikari otabanga bono maeta bana bagote na bana baito bono ngakibone togweitera. So kwanyora basalirie biasara byabo. Lakini discipline yasa kocha. Abantu banchira na kurwe buying center pake factory nga ntoligo tolerate boibi. Amangana yo boibi gakwera. Buna bono okonyoranga. There is an example that was reported to me sometime last year. Because people still think I'm in government. A factory yemo a write off 350,000 kilos. Chire cost kilos chita iyo management yata evidence chikile we have followed kile chinchiyo. But you know the board said abana babona na abana baito babere. Abana bambali ko chikogandara koiba. Lazima bagandara because they know ekaruma ito montama itenga no gendo on the party. I'll still be protected. Nkwa berunde. So in discipline nyingi sana era sichi buying center. Ejira akoru nechi buying center committee nechi director na abalimi. Babugatirane bakoro boivi.
Director Asencho Mheshimiwa Waziri Asencho Turochenga chigagichiko myoka kira gaiga andake alitubwejede kange nyeiga turwembeo sincho tu ibire chabande tinanda wabulingo kwenda ngamangana value addition asa mangana HI
amangana value addition ekaroko ligereri international tea market umaite a problem tubwata nane ringa HI yaite nyinga igakone kuchinse chisiko. So ekere problem were isiko igego to affect directly chai to teliko ganda. Oligere libona the issue of coffee in Ethiopia. they produce almost 5 times ya coffee ya Kenya. Lakini they consume over 60% ya kahawa yabo. So the local market itself can sustain their coffee production. Into bono ga onye the local consumption yere igoro. Kuna bono onye olenga echa ko produced kiamo kama. How much of it is consumed within Kisii County? Very little. Enke. Abantu bale gaiga lakini bakunywa chae ekaruete gosengai. Diva kakanga bakunywa chae ruete kiamo kama. Echa ruete tombe. Echa ruete ogembo. Yeah, so we kato support ye biashara bietu. Value addition we ka abantu baitu ba invest in value addition facilities. Value addition is very expensive. Aba gusi imbale ngato bwata ba chire Dubai ba establish the value addition facilities. Yecha ya gusi. Not even one. Lakini yogenda abantu ku twist yokonyora they have camped already in Dubai, they are doing value addition. Ekarabago ku value addition igali echa ene ya gusi ba ko kora kosene ya so. Echa ene ya so ba kora. So abantu baitu go ikaba invest in value addition. It's a deliberate effort. Yaani go ikabuya agache. Onya ko bwata ngombogo kama mabere go ikobeke bidiko manyanga ngaingo chikonia mabere chinsi yanga inkoruzi kare kemo. So abali baitu go ika so and through our directors and we are ready to support the directors even for free.
You as unabaliwa manyi na mbwatu bora obobwi mure ange gokonya na kobobwatesi
bona gentonda gotebi kende echa ego ya kwete kwanse kamana ko revive ekawa ekagu kwa ya kupi ekamana ko boka fresh
actually amende konya basiru
konya abantu ba putoire batugoire kagu lakini bona people are going back
echa ba chakiri goto
ogenda Kiambu abantu batugorete kagu bakagacha chinyumba bakanachana chama lebo bakawania malebo bakakora so onya oro muremi ora rirenga chae teliko mokonya tasibiri na bakorwo onya gatagete lakini akorwo ekarabu ate alternative go chiko machi basi nyinge ko bwachiri chae ego koraki so umuremi nara tigakore biashara bia yarorenga ki ne chae ngo simeka go sine kagu go sine chiombe ngotuka okorege ntoge yani tolengere buna abana bia abanya biashara ntolengere buna politicians umugondo no yo nayo bwana te ku decide nkyo kobeko.
Alright, waziri asante sana ndakingana yo mweli uchesomo segucheso omo ligeli no mategeli madilla
engana na bwatene ringa waziri andake bono liroba abantu gusiba chakiri kwa murunganenga echaete ko the best option go setira abake ko bakonya abande bachakire korengere buna watevirenga umuntu akaranga tikanja ke gusimeke binte binga go sincha ko butugi. Do you think nga no ranyare ko recommend abantu bagendera gusimeka gose bagende ko brugere chae gose bachenji oboremi
nchege ntonda atebye murimi neke obole umugondo no yo ake sabu yao umanyenga mugondo yo muna onya bono umayete kare abagusiye ko babwate chae nyinga ake migondo ne megare yale ntunto bwate practice ye yoko na chane migondo kwa na chiraba murana bara ubana chenaraba murababo onya kwa bwate chae yarenge chia kaivere ekwara konyore bonus gwakanira abana school fees kwanye na chanire maraga 5 umo muronde kwana chanira tari gotora oyonde okonde isire oyonde onyetigire yabeire mete
oyonde toraso
ko oyonde toraso ko bana echa elia kananga school fees cha etebwati bese lakini mbara nyerigererie so bwagarenga nkikiagera esa ulitwanye na chana umuntu oranyorenga ta konyara ko manage chae naenda bono okonyorange chae igotegemeto muntu ndachi gogotorera abantu bagotore chae buna bono maite bakoira 10 shillings per kilo bagwakana
which means ayo mulimi gotigarore na
ayo mulimi gotigarore with
10 baka 12
10 baka 12 so onye gwakana 20 shillings first payment omokori gasi nkoirara 10 kwatigire bosa so abalimi baitu tigabarengera ringa chimashini nchiro chinka chyo gotore cha ora yani akanto kanga buna kaliko kuna chogo nyansi aka mashini okobora bwa torere cha ya igotari gwa kanonde you make that
so yani abantu bagotora
yani abantu bagotora lakini abalimi mbale bona igaba bwate cha gose ne mete 200 mulimi uri tabwana tikotoke se biashara bie cha kiagara cha eri no mwaka na 100 shillings per kilo te komo konya
tigango andaka sobongo iga nyora abantu babire boka bokwana naye bono mambia sembeo tukole kuruga Getembe TV and radio alo Getembe karanga uya kadigota makuru sembeo nichika kichonsi chia toyo mbirigana gani babiru boka kwani sembeo gaga konduchi chia kanire zaidi sinchunga mangana igana maya yubolimi no mulimi mwende no muntu bwenge chenene ase liro balito sasa rongoro itu ninsito ya Kenya. Daktari yani waziri asincha mangana iga kwanya bikira unere burungiga lero iko mulimi na rukuro moyo kabisa urutebiro bono nchina bintu bya sari bichae twakora ni mobo sembo bwa malika twakora kuruga
onya kubwate chai saine ira na mugondo aya rosalie chai yao aira na mugondo arosalie chai aya lakini yo mulimi bona tiga banse kuwe boli na ki ingonda onalie chai ya nanga chivesti nyinge kabisa because there are several buyers be chai abantu mbale bakogole chai bakogolia abalimi abanyana nabo bagokora agento tokoroka cottage industry mocha ama abalimi babere muguraka mashini agasinini mwasie chai ino mwaonia machani talibone chai mokoni green leaf mwaonia machani. That is happening to coffee. As I told you, we license kwa abalimi bono bagwe palperie kago yabo be onerie kago eregunia engomo tali elimo kona kumenyoka ni chiri ganga minyoki gochie kwerende cooperative society. So abalemi mba kwa moyo tiga basic advice una nje na batenga I'm willing onya batagetenga ndama kwa ne factory yabo I'll talk to them for free, I will support them for free. Abalemi mba basa gukwa omoyo okobaye bonus yo mwaka yomo bona tiga batake this time this low moment batake ya ba director baba to task baba tenga bono nchito ikaranse to tevinga ki how do we move from here.
Waziri garotua kolire ayegwa kolire ase department ase wizara yo bolimi ase county na ndo wakole chi department chi nyinge sana ubwato manyomo nesa na ndake bono tuli ase serikali abalimi baitu bagusiba ko manyete balisiko bali bakuligerati bande bamayetenga uno mumroito mwana gusi na ndo bwato manyibwo igoro watawe no range ko bakonya ndake kubuli ko uchesomo umulemi mu gusiba no mambe no kwetenga kwale ko basigete bakurangiriga nabo kwale ko bakonya
njana bonko bakonya.
Yes,
any day
and time.
Yes bono na to igwana nangaki abalemira romotagarara Ketembe TV. I'll be talking to you no yobu atali swali iraneli
no manyiko
we can advise them in one day abalemi bonse speaker montaga and TV we talk to them.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Asante sana yono mwanjumulire ko igure waziri Vincent Sawe orure kerengalikekia ngana barange kokonya abalemi igusi na yimwe ulengane yo ligire li direct china saba chiribogeka molenga kiko konye kali tokonye ekameligi chae matrida tukolerega
ndo senga mangana na mang toro so kwanda lakini nande etogote banga dit kolinde ndike ikiagera obolemi intobo kwanira sinchira yobo imebuna matukagenda etogoska anja sense moyane director gendera gosemia ndebo sio goikera gendera ko bate banyare kumanya amangana eiga nane mbaji gukora ba director.
Thank you.
Asante sana waziri Vincent Sawe ko bana itubono mambia nande obuyanku abeto mu manager SKDD okakole mereme mya iga bantu bamanyete igasi yawo. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
God bless. Asante sana.
Asante.
Azoro mwanchu muri wikiragagu Geoffrey Onseriga Maria Tane ndoke GO government office abono mambia Lucas Mugaka akurunga Willis Mike no bali nsemeli yende ko ereka byose babiro bya nabo igonara Eric Abuga yo nero ene kiringa onsi ya chiro bya. God bless you for now. Toberane ankyo nyasaiga wanja. Bye bye.
Thank you.